you got to talk before we would have started? You don't need to do it now, but do some with me.
Sorry guys. Sorry. Okay, just the other side of this. Welcome everyone to Rain Room. My name's Jade. I'll be taking you through the experience this afternoon. Thank you all for coming. Before we head on into the rain, I'll just give a quick little chat about what to expect inside, a little bit of history around the Rain Room, where we've been, what we've done, and just how best to experience everything. So, first and foremost, Rain Room was created by a group named Random International. They are a collaborative art studio based out of London and Berlin. They're very well known for taking experimental and ambitious ideas and actually bringing them to life, which results in monumental artworks like the Rain Room that are designed to invite participation and engage all of our visitors, and each piece explores how humans interact with technology. That is a really prominent theme within this artwork, is how we interact with technology. So the artwork is incomplete without all of you. So you guys get to become the lead performers in this intersection of art, nature, and technology. Sorry guys, I'm just having someone talk in my ear. 1 second. Sorry, can you have it? Sorry everyone, I cannot multitask. Ooh. Thank you, Jay. So, Rain Room has been featured across the globe at some of the most premier and prestigious art institutions, some of which have been MoMA in New York and the Barbican Centre in London. However, we're very proud to be the first in the Southern Hemisphere to showcase Rain Room. And what better city than Melbourne, the city of 4 seasons in one day? As cheesy as it is, it's so true, and I think it's very fitting. So, a few things to keep in mind for today's experience. Although we can control the rain inside, we cannot control gravity. So if you move too quickly through the space, rain that has already fallen from the ceiling will get on you, you will get a little bit wet. And if you move really quickly, the sensors just won't pick you up at all and you'll get soaked. If that is your prerogative, please go for your life, but just try and be respectful of other people's space and don't get anyone else wet. That would be great. As we're moving through, this is a very meditative space, so please take advantage of the time to just slow down, ground yourself, center yourself. As I said before, slow movements through the space are best, but I also find in this mindset era that we live in, to have something that forces you to just take a moment, check in with yourself, center yourself is a really beautiful thing. So please make the most of that. What else do I need to tell you? You're my last session for the day, so my brain's turning to mush and everything's blending into one. So thank you for your patience. Next up on my list. Oh yes, okay. Best way to stay dry is to keep as much space between yourself and other guests. One as well, we want you to experience being completely surrounded by the rain and having it on all sides, encapsulating you. That's the full experience. But also, if you are too close to other guests, the senses can get a little bit confused. They won't know who to follow, and some people may get wet. So please try to keep as much space between yourselves and others. However, if you are here with someone today, if you are in a group, feel free to navigate together, but just keep in mind that you'll have to be like this, super close and extra slow. But yeah, that should be all good. If anyone needs assistance throughout the experience, just give me a wave. It's quite loud in there, so if you wave me down, I'll come over and help you out as soon as possible. When it comes to taking photos and videos, please take as many as you like. It's a very photogenic space, you can't not. We just ask that you keep the flash off, just because it can affect the senses. I also try to encourage all of my guests to spend the first couple of minutes of Rain Room with their phones away, just to really take it in, embrace what's going on around you. There are 6,000 litres of water falling from the ceiling at any given moment that you're all in control of. So take the time to immerse yourself into that, and afterwards take as many photos and videos as you like. Silhouette shots look the best because we have one light source in the space. It's a big spotlight. If you get the person you're shooting to stand in front of the spotlight and you shoot from a low angle, it looks absolutely beautiful, really cinematic, and slow motion videos look gorgeous as well. Now, once we're in the space, I'll just get everyone to line up along the back wall. I'm just going to open up this door for the next group, and then, oh no, it's my last session of the day. We're all good. But if everyone could wait till I'm back in the room with you, that would be great before we enter the rain. If anyone's worried about walking gung-ho into the rain because it does feel very foreign and unnatural, if you walk with your hands out at first, the sensors will pick up your hands. You can just step into that space and then you're free to go. You don't have to keep your hands out as you're moving through. When it is now time to leave, I will give you a little wave and yell out that it's time to go. But if anyone does need to leave beforehand for any reason, please feel free to do so. The exit is just below the spotlight. Now, before we do head in, I'll just leave you all with a few things you could potentially take away from this experience. At the end of the day, art is designed to invoke emotion and reflection, and this piece is no different. So the first thing is to have a little bit of a think about the impacts we have on the environment and the control we have over nature. But on the flip side is how much technology controls us. Once again, those are very prominent themes in this artwork. As you're moving through the space, I'd love for you to ask yourself whether or not you believe you're in control of the rain, or if the rain is in control of you. Do you dictate where the rain falls, or does the rain dictate where you move? Wonderful. Now, thank you everyone for listening to me ramble on. I know I can talk a lot. We are good to enter the rain. Enjoy, everyone.
This back wall?
Yeah, that back wall is great.
Is it what you thought it was going to be? Stand on a tile or so. Hey, you have to wait. Didn't you say you had to wait until you come back? Didn't you have to wait? Yeah, he said to wait until he comes back in the room. But good, see? There you go. Oh, got a drop. Oh God, you think it... No gust of wind. Ah, you're shit. Doesn't count like that. All that. Oh, sharp. Oh, crap. Oh, I should have let it go. Shit. No, that was double hit. Oh, shit. That's that. Oh. Really? I sucked you in. You thought I was going to let it bounce. Yes. That was shit. Yeah. Fuck, the wind took that. Oh well. Alright, last one. That come off my thumb. Oh! That's enough, I win. Yeah. Put the ball under it there.